In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Commonwealth travel card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to find the Commonwealth travel card available on their website. As you can see, they call it the Travel Money Card. It allows you to load up to 13 currencies on one card at once. This allows you to travel to other countries where you might want to use a currency outside of your own, and you are going to get a lot of benefits with it. It is very easy to set up. You can order it online through this page, and you can reload it at any time, even during your actual trip. It is recommended that you load it up beforehand, but like I mentioned just now, you can load it up during the trip if necessary. So in this page, the Travel Money Card, all that you have to do is first tap Order Online, and you will be redirected to this page where you can get instructions on how to order your card. As you can see, you can do it online or in a branch. Both of these will have no card issue fee, but ordering online might take some business days, so it is better to select online if you have some days prior to traveling. It is much more convenient than going on a branch, but I'm just gonna go ahead and select online for the purposes of this video. You can select whichever one is best for you. Once you select any of these options, you will have to log into the Commonwealth Bank online banking section to actually order your card. So because of this, I won't be able to fully demonstrate this process, but as long as you are redirected to that page by tapping this button, you will get instructions on screen. After you acquire the travel card, you have to load it up with different currencies. You have to load a minimum of 50 Australian dollars, and then you will have access to other different currencies. Once again, if you tap load today, you will have to sign into the Commonwealth Bank online banking functionalities, and inside of there you will be able to top up the travel money card as necessary. Just keep it close to you and you will be able to use it and manage it through the app if you wish. You can load it up with balance at any time. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Commonwealth travel card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.